Well, that didn't go too badly. So yeah, all welded up, all working properly, and I've just given it a good old clean with acetone, everyone's favourite friend. Word of warning with acetone: always make sure you wear eye protection because the stuff is lethal. So yeah, I'll just decant a little bit of this, and we'll crack on, and hopefully it'll start turning black or blue. I've masked off all the things that I really don't want to come into contact with it for obvious reasons. The bluing or blacking, whichever way you want to look at it, is all done now, so that's actually come out quite nicely. I've given that about I think it's about 3 coats. It seems to take a little while to actually take, and now I've oiled it all up, give it a bit of protection, left it in the house for a couple of days just to make sure it's fully dried off because it's a bit cold out in the shed. Everything is basically been given a nice spray and a quick rub down with oil, like I say. So yeah, that's looking quite nice as regards to everything. So the next plan is now, as you can probably see, I've got the foot plate on. What I've done is I've made sort of a little insert in a piece of reasonably thick steel, just so that when I'm tapping the rivets in, the dome fits in quite nicely there, so it stops it flattening out. And the plan is I'm going to use a dolly just to give it a bit of backing support, and then hopefully knock the end of the rivet in, and we'll see how that turns out. that's done it. Time to fit the hose. So basically I got this hose off eBay. I think it was about £3.50, something like that. It's not the best quality in the world, I've got to admit that. It's a bit twisty and turny and whatnot, but it will do. I possibly will change it at some later point, but yeah, it's a hose at the end of the day. I also got these little, in fact I'll show you a bigger one, single ear clamp crimp, in various sources, sizes, simply because it just looks a little bit better. And I've got a whole pair of pincers which work nicely, so I think that that doesn't look too bad. You could get the double ear ones, but I'm not quite sure what the benefit for those is, and I certainly think for this application it probably wouldn't make any difference. So I'll screw that in. Work out that'll be about right, I think. There we go. One working pump, and that I am quite pleased with. Like I say, it's an oily rag restoration, and that's pretty much all the things I'm really into. I don't like them looking spot on. I like the fact that they've got casting marks. I like the fact that they've got scratches, and I like the fact that they've got history. Some people want to do an awful lot with these old projects, taking old tools back pretty much to how they were when they first came out, or even better in their opinion. But no, I like the dings, I like the history, and I